What is a gold rush? A gold rush is a period of feverish migration of workers into the area of a dramatic discovery of a commercial quantities of gold. The gold rush took place between 1848 to 1855. During this time, gold was discovered in California. Over 300,000 people rushed to California to find gold and strike it rich. The discovery of gold nuggets in Sacramento Valley in early 1848 sparked the gold rush, arguably one of the most significant events to shape American history during the first half of the 19th century. As news spread of the discovery, thousands of prospective gold miners traveled by sea or overland to San Francisco and the surrounding area by the end of 1849. The non-native population of California Territory was some 1,000 compared with the pre-1848 figure of less than 1,000. A total of $2 billion worth of precious metal was extracted from the area during the gold rush, which peaked in 1852. Throughout 1849, people around the United States, mostly men, borrowed money from mortgaged their property or spent their life savings to make the arduous journey to California. In pursuit of the kind of wealth they had never dreamed of, they left their families and hometowns in turn of women left behind took on new responsibilities such as running farms or businesses and caring for their own children alone. Thousands of would-be gold miners known as the 49ers traveled overland across the mountains or by the seas, sailing to Panama or even Cape of Horn, the southernmost point of South America. The large influx of 49ers as the gold prospectors were known caused California's population to increase dramatically. In San Francisco, for example, the population grew from 1,000 in 1848 to over 20,000 by 1850. Though John Marshall instead tried to keep the news of the discovery under wraps, word got out, and by mid-March at least one newspaper was reporting that large quantities of gold was being turned up at Sutter's Mill. One of the migrations stimulated by the discovery of gold was the internal westward movement of Americans from the eastern states who hoped to make fortunes in California. At first, there were only two routes. The first entailed a 6-month voyage from New York around the tip of South America to San Diego or San Francisco. The second route brought travelers from Oregon California Trail in covered wagons over rugged terrain and hostile territory. This journey also averaged 6 months. Duration. That is how they got to California. How did this cause change? The gold rush brought thousands of people to California, both gold seekers and the people who provided supplies and services. Before the gold rush, it was estimated that there were only about 32,000 people in California. About 80% were California natives. By 1900, there were over 63,000 people and increased about 26,000. A third came by the sea. It also increased California's population. It changed California's life by getting them more wealth. That is why California is rich than other places in the United States.